Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Dear Me app. To start, open the Dear Me app on your mobile phone. Hit the Get Started button and continue to create your account. Then choose your age, gender, and your sleep hours. Answer more questions and continue it to boost your account. Upon first opening, the app guides you through setup, selects your self-care goals and routine preferences and creates a dashboard. Expect 30 to 40 steps, which include short personalization quizzes. This help tailor habits to your lifestyle. You'll be introduced to a simple first habit, like a breathing prompt to get started right away. You can create new habits by tapping the plus button and then customize each one with a name, color, frequency, and reminder times. While the app is free to use, a subscription unlocks advanced features like unlimited routines and deep customizations. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you get some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.